Hey there, Shawn Bayley, and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about what is ClickFunnels. So to know what ClickFunnels is, we kind of have to understand what ClickFunnels isn't. Because when you first look at it, you're going to think, well, it's just websites, right? And that is false. A sales funnel is about getting people to convert, to do a particular action that you want them to take. Websites are kind of distracting and allow for people to do many things. Now your funnel is designed to get people to convert, to sign up, join a list, come to an event, get a free report, or download a free audiobook chapter from your new book. Right about now is where I throw out the plug for my 12 Marketing Mistakes ebook. This is part of a sales funnel. It's designed to generate leads. You go, you can download my ebook and avoid the usual funnel mistakes that people make. And there's only one thing to do on that page. Enter your email address, download the free ebook, and avoid the usual mistakes. So let's dig a little deeper because you're probably asking, well, what can ClickFunnels do for me? Well, if you have a business, it can do the two most important things that you need for your business. One, it gives you a way to bring in leads. Leads to nurture, getting people to subscribe, getting people to opt into your funnel. Now, the funnel I just mentioned, with the 12 Marketing Funnel Mistakes ebook that people can download, this is a look at the actual pages in the funnel. People opt in for the lead magnet, they arrive on a thank you page, I send them an email with a link to the download, and then they go and enjoy this free PDF from me. And now I've got that person on my email list, and I can send them other emails in the future. Emails ultimately designed to help them become a customer or become a client, whatever you choose. This lets you take care of the people who haven't purchased from you yet, and you can collect their information, whether it's through ClickFunnels or set up your own email autoresponder or CRM. The sales funnels also let you sell products to people who are ready to buy from you right now. And I'm talking all types of products. These can be physical products. One of the first funnels I launched was a free plus shipping funnel. And a great way to have this type of funnel is to mix physical products, whether it's books or whatever, along with digital products that you can sell as upsells in your sales funnel. That's perfect if you want to sell digital products, if you want to sell a membership site and sell your own masterclasses, high-ticket courses, or a membership site where you provide updated continuity and people pay on a monthly subscription basis. And if you work in a client-based business, it allows you to set up calendar bookings with people chasing you to become a client. I know because I've used sales funnels to do all the things that you see on this page here. Now, ClickFunnels works for every business. Asterisk. This is their claim. But if you have a business where you like to bring in leads or you like to sell things, ClickFunnels can work for you. You say, how? But I'm special. How does ClickFunnels work for me? Well, we know that ClickFunnels builds sales funnels and that sales funnels bring in leads and allow you to make sales. So ClickFunnels does a lot for your business. Not everything, but it does quite a bit. So the great thing for you is that ClickFunnels acts as your own site builder and membership software and order form. I've given you an example of a lead generation funnel. It's really easy to set up that page and start generating leads, capturing email addresses. It also lets you take care of certain software automation. ClickFunnels will take care of the funnel automation. It can do certain email automation for you. It can do certain delivery automation as far as sending out confirmation emails once someone's purchased and giving them access to their digital product. ClickFunnels can act as an email autoresponder, and it also gives you an entire suite of affiliate tools and management so that you can set up your own affiliate army if you want to. Now, to say that there's a large community would be an understatement. 200,000 members in the main ClickFunnels Facebook group. There's lots of other subgroups on the internet and on Facebook of people and who have set up groups in relation to ClickFunnels. And there is just an absolute ton of support out there, whether it's directly through ClickFunnels. I've had problems and they've gotten back to me and helped me sort things out, or get help within the community. I guarantee you, if you go into that Facebook group and you throw out your problem or your question, you will likely have 10 people reply to you to help you out with it. It's just that awesome. So if you're saying, well, what does ClickFunnels do? Well, it lets you run all of your funnels from a single dashboard. It's very easy to go in and check your stats and see your sales, your opt-ins, your conversions, and know exactly what's going on with each and every one of your funnels. It's very simple to go in and set up split tests so that you're testing one page against the other and constantly improving your business so that you can ultimately make more money. So ClickFunnels has worked for everyone in the 2 Comma Club. If you make over $1 million with a funnel, I'll give you one of those nifty little trophies right there, as well as all the Dream Car winners. ClickFunnels has also worked for all of the people inside the ClickFunnels groups who've used ClickFunnels to succeed. People just like me. So here's the thing, I'm just a dude and you can get results with sales funnels just like me. And if you are going to use ClickFunnels to go and achieve that success, make sure that you grab my ClickFunnels bonus underneath this video. Yours free just for taking ClickFunnels on a 14-day trial. Before you grab your bonus, please click on like and subscribe. It really helps me out with YouTube. And I'll see you inside.